Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 6, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. Column G, column I, 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column A on second grade we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Seventh row and 8th row we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Third grade and 9th grade we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells. 4th row also we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, 7th row, column D we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, the 5 is confirmed here. Column D, column E we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then in column F 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Sixth row we have 2 and 3, so 2 and 3 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. 4th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then 5th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column B, column A we have 8, so it can't come these cells. 5th row also we have 8, so it can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. 4th row and 5th row we have 8, so it can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 4th row we have 2 and 4, so 2 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then 6th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then 4th row only 1 numbers are remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 6th row 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then 4th grade 5th row 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column C 5 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 6, 9, 1. Column A, column B, first row we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 1 and 7, 7 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. First row we have 1, so 1 can't come this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then column C 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. First grade 8th row we have pair numbers 4 and 7, so 4 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Third row and second row we have pair numbers 5 and 9, so 5 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column B, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 8th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column E, we have 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. First row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then column E and 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 8, it will come in one of these cells. Second row, we have 4 and 8, so 4 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, now 1 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Third row and first row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 7th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column A and 7th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, it will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 7th grade, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Then column A, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column I, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row and 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column G, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. First row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. First row, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then first row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Third row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third grade, second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column I, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.